Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tutarena. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail account profile photo. So guys, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe it. Now let's start. At first you have to go to the Gmail app, then open it, and right there at the top right corner of your screen you can see the profile photo of mine. This is my Gmail account profile photo, and now you can tap right here, and as you can see at your screen, manage your account. At the top of it you have to tap on the camera icon, tap right here, and as you guys can see, I can remove the photo right now, and in this way I can remove this profile photo, and also I can change the profile photo without removing it. Now let's tap here, and in here I can explore the photo that I want. I can tap right here. If you guys want to add in that way, you can add it. Also, if you guys want to add photos from your device, you can add it like this. Now you can choose any of your photos from your gallery. Now I'll choose it. You guys can also customize the photo like this. Now save as profile picture. Tap right here. Now it will change my savings. Now tap got it. As you guys can see, I have changed the profile picture of mine, and in that way you can change the profile pic of your Gmail account. See how easy it is. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe our channel. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, then you can visit our channel, and where you can find a lot of videos like this. Thanks for watching our video till the end. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.